how to search for messages on Instagram. If you have a lot on your inbox and you're trying to search for a specific message, it's very easy because Instagram gives you a search feature where you can search for messages very easily. Alright, so let's see how you can do it. First, you'll have to go to your inbox, and from here, you can either tap on their name and search for the messages, or if you scroll up, you will have to find your messages. But if you do that, that might take a long time. So, for example, if I want to see if someone has sent me, I can just simply tap here, and as you can see, these are the messages on my inbox. So I can simply tap here and find the message, and it will highlight the message right here as well. So once you do that, you will be able to find the messages quickly. Or you have a different option to search for messages specifically in the chat. So you can just tap on the chat right here and tap on their profile. From here, you can tap on the search, and you can search for any message as well. So like this, if I search for photo, here it will show you a message that has the word photo in it. So that's how you can easily search for messages on Instagram. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.